Thank you. Please be seated. It's a great day today. Congratulations, graduates and families. Welcome to everyone here in person, as well as those joining us via live stream. As president of the Illinois Institute of Technology, I recognize the graduates of Illinois Institute of Technology's College of Architecture. Applause. I'm going to see which college makes the loudest noise. College of Architecture, okay. The Institute of Design, and Armour College of Engineering. At this time, I would like to introduce the Carol and Ed Kaplan Armour College Dean of Engineering Endowed Chair and Interim Provost Kenneth Christensen.
Thank you, Raj, and great job, Armour College. And welcome to all of you as we celebrate our 2022-2023 graduates. Graduates, you are all such an inspiration to us. We are honored to celebrate this important milestone with you and your loved ones. I'd like to share 2 bits of advice that I hope you will take with you. First, while you will leave Illinois Tech and your respective colleges today as newly minted alums, your relationship with us does not end today. All of you will forever be a part of the Illinois Tech family, and I hope that you will stay connected to us and lean on us as you grow your careers and progress through your life. Second, and this really comes from my own personal experience and thinking back to my own graduation from college, if there was one thing I could do over, it would have been to better recognize how critical my support system was to me in that journey. For myself, that was my family and friends. It might not be apparent at the moment, but they represent the silent crowd cheering you on each day, especially during the hardest of days. And yes, they can be embarrassing at times, but it comes from a place of love, support, and pride, and occasionally a desire to annoy you as well. So please join me in applauding your families and friends for their critical role in your current and future successes. I have no doubt that you will find success in your future endeavors, whatever you choose to do. And all of us at your alma mater will be waiting to hear of and celebrate your accomplishments. Thank you very much. So before we begin distribution of the diplomas, Joseph Orgel, Professor of Biology and Biomedical Engineering and Vice Provost for Academic Affairs, will share with us a brief history of the PhD hood.
Good afternoon, class. I earnestly hope that this is the last lecture that you need to attend. And I assure you it's going to be short. Those of you who are receiving your PhD hoods, would you identify yourselves now? Show me who you are, whatever way you want. Excellent. This is, for you, this is what we call in the business a terminal degree. And those of you who have completed the work probably have a multiple number of reflections on the word terminal. Hopefully it's, I'm done, I did it, primarily. It's been observed by various people I've known in academia that if you don't get into at least a good-natured fight with your PhD supervisor, perhaps you weren't trying hard enough. Do you understand what I mean? Yes, you do. And for everybody else, if you haven't been through this, hopefully it's good-natured, and usually it is, But there's a good reason for that kind of anecdote, because people who are receiving their PhD are at the point where they've transitioned from being the learners to being the initiators of learning, for being the discoverer of new things, for being the people that define some part of academia. So the fact that you're here sitting today is a point that deserves remarkable praise for you. Why are you getting a hood? Well, we're in a party and we're wearing fancy dress, right? We're all wearing fancy dress and we're celebrating to mark the occasion. But there's a legacy, there's a history, actually histories behind why we're wearing the things that we are. We could talk about orders of religion and orders of wisdom culture that have ceremonial gowns. In those cultures that are drawing their inspiration for the robes and the dress from England, they're doing it because it was the law at one point. You were legally told, you were legally directed what to wear according to your profession. So naturally, you want to make it look as fancy as you can because it raises your prestige. Prestige leads to greater income. So that's one of the reasons. The hat is symbolic of knowledge, yes. It's also symbolic of tremendous work, hard work, defining work. And the robe and the hood. The hood. I'm going to do this. I'm not sure this is a good idea. It's in here somewhere. I'm Scary Potter. Right? So don't do that for reasons. However, it really is a hood, but because we're too cool for school, we wear it like a necklace down our back. That doesn't make sense. Don't dwell on that too much. Why do you get the hood? Because it is a mark of you achieving something truly remarkable and successful. And it's a mark of you being inducted into the not-so-secret society of the terminal degree of academia. The hood and being conveyed with the hood is an opportunity to spend a moment of celebration with your mentor, with those people that helped you get to where you are, but for it to be incredibly clear that you're the one that earned it. So on behalf of everyone else here, I want to initiate saying, well done and congratulations.
Thank you, Joseph. And now we will begin the distribution of diplomas. We'll begin with all PhD degrees, then award degrees by college and their respective departments, beginning with master's degrees followed by bachelor's degrees. Graduates, please note that while you will receive your diploma cover today, your official diploma will be mailed to you at your home address that we have on file. I now call upon Dean of the Graduate College, Jamshid Mohammadi, to read the names of our PhD recipients.
Congratulations to our graduates. And I would like to call upon graduates who are receiving the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Please approach to the stage. And as you approach here, please hand me your name so I can read your names and the name of your advisor. Osama Abdul Hafiz. Advisor Matthew Spenko. Larissa Ariel Safiyat Applebody, Advisor Professor Shahidipur. Amjad Al-Qud, College of Architecture, hooded by Professor Sabatino. Anahita Bahrami, Professor Mohammad Shahidipur. Hussein Dalalzadeh Atufi, Professor David Lampert. Michael Desh, Mehdi Mudarris, but he's not here, so hooded by me. Mateen Farhumandi, Professor Mohammad Shahidipur. Elisa Gallen, Professor Boris Pravan. Who's the professor? Sabatino. I know you. Camellia Gang, Professor Sabatino.
Carlos Teixeira.
Oh.
Laura Solana, but she's not here today. Can I go with my co-committee member?
Yeah.
Carlos Teixeira.
Teixeira. Amanda Ann Gephardt, hooded by Professor from ID, Pacino. Jing Hao, Professor Lin Kai.
Professor Sami.
Sani.
Sami.
Oh, Sani. I Ting Ho, Professor Saniti. Who's it? Sabatino. Okay. Li Wen Kang, Professor Sabatino, Architecture. In Soon Kang, Professor Brant Stevens. Alif Kayab Nalban, Professor Ken Tishauer. Ali Reza Kondori, Professor Mohammed Asadi. Delkan Mulroy, Professor Ankit Srivastava. Chom Peng, Professor Kerry Hall. Jorge Polpeiro Gonzalez, Professor Kerry Hall. How are you doing? Ahmed Rashid, Professor Ivan Mutis. Who is the advisor? Jaime Alejandro Rivera Gomez, Professor Anijo Matthew. Behzad Salimian Rizi, Professor Mohammad Haidari Nijat. Tino Villa Matahil Babi, Professor Basirawan Om Chaudhry. Ji Wang, Professor Tom Wong. Yicheng Zhang, Professor Brant Stevens. Who's your professor? So I said Professor Zohail Murad. Okay. All right. Zi Cheng Zhou, Professor Suhail Murad. Xin Zhang, Professor Jafar Sani. Who is a professor? Vladimir Ryabov, Professor Gorzowski. A big congratulations to our recipients of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. This concludes a presentation of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy and hoodie.
Thank you, Jamshid, and congratulations to each of you for your achievements. I now call upon the Rowe Family College of Architecture Dean, Endowed Chair, Reed Kroloff.
Good job. Good job. You guys were cheated before. Cheated. You've made up for it. Good afternoon, and welcome to the commencement group that matters. I mean, really, which colleges are commencing first? That's right. The designers, both of you. The architects, and the engineers. You don't think this is an accident, do you? I'm kidding, of course. We value all of our colleagues here at IIT, but my kidding is a bit on the square, if you will, because in fact, architects, designers, and engineers are regularly asked to go first. Why? Because it's the nature of what we do. We're tasked with envisioning not only the world as it is, but the world as it will be. As we often say in the College of Architecture, we design the future. Think for a minute about Mies van der Rohe. When he was hired here in 1938 to run the architecture program at Illinois Institute of Technology, there was no Illinois Institute of Technology, at least as we know it. There was no campus. There were no buildings. Armour Institute and Lewis College were being merged to create something new, something hopeful, at a moment when the world was staring into the abyss of what would become World War II. And they hired a German to do it. Mies's vision and the vision of the engineers, the designers, and the architects who helped bring it to fruition was built upon a belief that the world's challenges would be met only by harnessing technology to create environments that supported innovation. The celebrated architecture he proposed for our campus reflected exactly that, an argument that in a world where change was becoming the only constant, the closed cellular structures of traditional buildings, campuses, and even cities no longer made sense. Instead, we needed open, flexible, and democratic places, ones that welcomed and supported different ways of thinking and working. And remember, he proposed this when Franklin Roosevelt was in the White House, when it took a week to get to Europe on a ship, when photography was black and white, and when Chicago was the second largest city in the United States by a very wide margin. Mies and his team were out in front, way out in front. We still live in that vision today, and it still works. And now, architects, designers, and engineers, it's time for you to extend that tradition. Go forth today with joy for what you've accomplished at IIT and with excitement for what you will accomplish moving forward. After all, what could be more exciting than designing the future? Thank you. And I'd like you to listen to the speeches of my colleague deans today to hear these themes continue. But at this time, I'd like to invite Professor Michelangelo Sabatino, the inaugural John Vinci Distinguished Research Fellow and Director of our PhD program in architecture, to join me in recognizing and remembering an important member of our student community who we unfortunately lost this year. Also joining us will be Professor Brent Stevens, Chair of the Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering Departments, and Arthur W. Hill Endowed Chair in Sustainability, and Mohammed Haidarinejad, Assistant Professor of Architectural Engineering. Could you all join me, please?
Earlier this academic year, we said goodbye to Lobna Mitkes, who would have graduated this year with a PhD program in architecture under the joint supervisions of Professor Stevens, Haidarinejad, and myself. Lobna worked on a dissertation that explored incremental design of personal comfort systems in relation to preservation and energy conservation within modern buildings such as SR Crown Hall. Before starting her PhD at the Illinois Institute of Technology, Lobna obtained her undergraduate degree in architecture at Ain Shams University in Cairo, Egypt, and a Master of Science degree at the University of Stuttgart in Germany. Lobna will be remembered for her passion for pursuing the intersection between research and design. Lobna's family, here with us today, will accept Lobna's degree. Her father, Dr. Mohammed Mitkes, and her husband, Mustafa M. Nuruddin. Come on up.
Thank you to you all. And thank you especially to Lobna's family for being here. This is a celebration of Lobna, and I know Lobna would be excited for the next phase of this, as I think are the bachelor's and master's candidates in the College of Architecture. Am I right? Am I right? Thank you. With that, we will now proceed with the presentation of master's and bachelor's degrees in the College of Architecture. To present the candidates, I call upon my colleagues, Associate Professor Martin Felsen and Studio Associate Professor Kathy Nagel.
Okay, thank you, Dean Kroloff. We will now present the graduates receiving the Master of Science in Architecture degree. Okay, please hold your applause until all graduates have been recognized so that each graduate's name can be clearly heard by their family and friends, both in attendance and on our live stream. Will the graduates receiving the Master of Science in Architecture degree please rise and join us on stage to be recognized?
Yasman Bakhtiarian.
Sally Bogle.
Frank Jose.
Jared Kirch, Master of Science in Architecture, also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture.
Hyo-Yoon Lee.
Hashika Nekenti, Master of Science in Architecture.
Abdulmalik Mohammed Saleh, Master of Science in Architecture.
Malika Yousefi, Master of Science in Architecture.
Yuchi Sean Shao, Master of Science in Architecture and also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture.
Semdrup Zeleng Zanmuzo Amdoyer, Master of Science in Architecture, also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture.
Is this the Master of Tall Buildings? It's the Master of Tall Buildings. No. Martin. Congratulations to our Master of Science in Architecture degree graduates.
Okay. All right. Will the graduates receiving the Master of Tall Buildings and Vertical Urbanism degree please join us on stage to be recognized?
Malhar Kate, Master of Tall Buildings and Vertical Urbanism, and also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture.
Nutanyel Stanyak, Master of Tall Buildings and Vertical Urbanism, and also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture.
Jiwon Park, Master of Tall Buildings and Vertical Urbanism, and also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture.
Okay. Congratulations to our Master of Tall Buildings and Vertical Urbanism degree graduates. Will the graduates receiving a Master of High Performance Buildings degree please join us on stage to be recognized? Evelina Roby, Master of High Performance Buildings, and also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture.
Nisha Kakde, Master of High Performance Buildings.
Okay, congratulations to our Master of High Performance Buildings degree graduates. Will the graduates receiving the Master of Landscape Architecture degree please join us on stage to be recognized? Thank you. Johann Friedel, Master of Landscape Architecture, Landscape Architecture.
Krista Dawson, Master of Landscape Architecture.
M.D. Mahamudar Rahman, Master of Landscape Architecture, Landscape Architecture Advanced Standing.
Daniel Garchek, Master of Landscape Architecture, Advanced Standing.
It's pronounced Danya or not. Okay.
Amanda Soto, Master of Landscape Architecture, Landscape Architecture Advanced Standing.
Danya Radawi, Master of Landscape Architecture, Landscape Architecture Advanced Standing.
Congratulations to our Master of Landscape Architecture degree graduates. Will the graduates receiving a dual Master of Architecture and Master of Landscape Architecture degree please join us on stage to be recognized? Sergio Sedano, dual Master of Architecture and Master of Landscape Architecture.
Jinwei Guan, dual Master of Architecture and Master of Landscape Architecture.
Congratulations to our dual Master of Architecture and Master of Landscape Architecture degree graduates. Will the graduates receiving the Master of Architecture degree please join us on stage to be recognized? Please hold your applause until the very end. Okay.
Sharyar Ansari, Master of Architecture.
Carolina Arboleda Gonzalez, Master of Architecture.
Richa Asangi, Master of Architecture.
Sumayut Aung, Master of Architecture.
William Vasco, Master of Architecture.
Dharmik Ramshabai Bhutai, Master of Architecture.
Gauri Chalke, Master of Architecture.
Ying Chang, Master of Architecture.
Vishwa Dansukbai Devani, Master of Architecture.
Yiri Gao, Master of Architecture.
Zishi Han, Master of Architecture.
Rushi Kesh Jal Kote, Master of Architecture.
Jesus Jimenez, Master of Architecture.
Dian Zhong, Master of Architecture.
Rutuja Kadam, Master of Architecture.
Sally Kenny, Master of Architecture.
So they're asking you to read a little faster.
Vedant Kapkar, Master of Architecture.
Sophia Kim, Master of Architecture.
William Labud, Master of Architecture.
Pengbo Liao, Master of Architecture.
Fernando Lopez, Master of Architecture.
Matthew Lubingo, Master of Architecture.
Janavi Malvatkar, Master of Architecture.
Alan Monsalvo Rios, Master of Architecture.
Mili Nasset, Master of Architecture.
Shivani Nimbalkar, Master of Architecture.
Elizabeth Northeim, Master of Architecture.
Urio Lua Olayenka, Master of Architecture.
Temitape Onabalu, Master of Architecture.
Preet Parekh, Master of Architecture.
Dev Patel, Master of Architecture.
Kalgi Patel, Master of Architecture.
Mahak Patel, Master of Architecture.
Rasika Patil, Master of Architecture.
Aishwarya Pawar, Master of Architecture.
Jacob Peters, Master of Architecture.
Kanya Raj Satish, Master of Architecture.
Camilla Rossi Pinheiro, Master of Architecture.
Miguel Sevilla Quintana, Master of Architecture.
Unmei Shah, Master of Architecture.
Shrisha Shetty, Master of Architecture.
Celine Shadell, Master of Architecture.
Divya Suraban, Master of Architecture.
Divya Meena Taumil Sel Vum, Master of Architecture.
Samad Vahora, Master of Architecture.
Dharmi Vasani, Master of Architecture.
Michelle Walker, Master of Architecture.
Georgina Wang, Master of Architecture.
Gabby Zemaitis, Master of Architecture.
Belinda Zhang, Master of Architecture. Okay. Congratulations to our Master of Architecture degree graduates.
We will now proceed with the presentation of the Bachelor of Architecture degree. Please hold your applause until all graduates have been recognized.
No problem.
Will the graduates receiving the Bachelor of Architecture degree please join us on stage to be recognized?
I'm assuming not. So I assume as they're calling the name, we're walking, then I guess I know, yeah. I mean, it creates a bottleneck to me, but you know.
Naveen Abdelghani, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Moid Ali, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Nesha Gule Altintash, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Ziad Amin, Bachelor of Architecture. Go right ahead.
Alexandra Bayor, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Ahmed Baker, Bachelor of Architecture.
Ralin Barakusu, Bachelor of Architecture.
Samuel Bennett, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Christian Betker, Bachelor of Architecture.
J.V. Grimmer, Bachelor of Architecture.
Caitlin Brown, Bachelor of Architecture.
Mona Shaheen, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Cecilia Charney, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Cheng Cheng Chen, Bachelor of Architecture.
Olena Chachula, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Lika Corson, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Emily Dashiell, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Wayland Dardarian, Bachelor of Architecture.
Trevor Deneen, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Veronica Fisher, Bachelor of Architecture.
Kevin Esquivel, Bachelor of Architecture.
Jacob Gagner, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Claudia Flores Berriman, Bachelor of Architecture.
KU Gianella Penrenz, Bachelor of Architecture.
Stephanie Elga Genus, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Dominika Gornikovsky, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Julian Go, Bachelor of Architecture.
Benjamin Hellkamp, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Ethan Harris, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Trey Horn, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Chanel Moore, Bachelor of Architecture.
Ji Yuan, Bachelor of Architecture.
Lucas Henry, Bachelor of Architecture.
Christopher Katz, Bachelor of Architecture.
Sanjo Mint Kind, Bachelor of Architecture.
Hong Kant, Bachelor of Architecture.
Zoe Creeth, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Patrick Kubik, Bachelor of Architecture.
Lucas Kugler, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Joyce Lamb, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Hong Yin Lee, Bachelor of Architecture.
Hee-Yoon Lee, Bachelor of Architecture.
Ten Shui Yi Lin, Bachelor of Architecture.
Autumn Munier, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Ronak Jain, Bachelor of Architecture.
John Mulvey, Bachelor of Architecture.
Young Hoon Jung, Bachelor of Architecture.
Nat Wynn, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Miranda Murphy, Bachelor of Architecture.
Michael Osejo, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Thomas Novak, Bachelor of Architecture.
Husna Azdemir, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Maciej Ostrowski, Bachelor of Architecture.
Clayton Pangrinsic, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Montserrat Palomino, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude.
Harsha Pillai, Bachelor of Architecture.
Derek Piotrowski, Bachelor of Architecture.
Adith Prasad, Bachelor of Architecture.
Jason Payan, Bachelor of Architecture.
Marco Salinas, Bachelor of Architecture.
Olena Kryzhniuk, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Mai Sano, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Jonadab Sani, Bachelor of Architecture.
Winlei Shun, Bachelor of Architecture.
Laura Schmidt, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Sikwan Sun, Bachelor of Architecture.
Natalia Silyarska, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Elandri Stain, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Sarah Stevens, Bachelor of Architecture, summa cum laude.
Shruti Thakar, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Damla Sujika, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Madeline Walsh, Bachelor of Architecture.
Alyssa Totora Herbst, Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Owen Westlake, Bachelor of Architecture.
Tinjiao Wang, Bachelor of Architecture.
Mera Zamir, Bachelor of Architecture.
Mehdi Yusuf, Bachelor of Architecture. Michael Zima, Bachelor of Architecture, magna cum laude. Congratulations to our bachelor's degree graduates. Dean Kroloff, that concludes the presentation of bachelor's degree recipients.
President Ichimbari, that completes the degrees in College of Architecture. Thank you.
Thank you, Reed, and congratulations to each of you for your achievements. I now call upon Dean of the Institute of Design, Anijo Matthew.
Good afternoon, everybody. It is an incredible honor for me to stand beside Dean Kroloff and Dean Castle at this ceremony today. Like Dean Kroloff, I too would like to believe that it's not an accident that these units are in this room together. If you look at these three units, you will notice one thing that binds us. We are all futurists. Architects, designers, and engineers take pride in our ability to construct the future by thinking with our hands, not just with our minds. Some of you parents may remember the 1990s and the birth of the internet. Remember how uncertain the world looked at that time? We knew this technology was transformative, yet we had no idea what to do with it. We are in a similar situation today with the birth of AI. The graduates in this room today, you are the ones who will craft our tomorrows. You will create the Amazons, Googles, and Metas of the future. Unfortunately, I have bad news. Unlike the internet pioneers, you don't have 2 decades to get there. The world is moving at an unimaginable pace. And the only way you can move that fast is if you let go of the hubris that you can do it alone. The future is not architects, designers, and engineers tinkering in their garage on their own, coming up with nifty little inventions. It'll be built on collaboration. It is when our disciplines come together to solve a problem that true value is unlocked. Today, I'm proud to introduce the next generation of design leaders from the Institute of Design, who have been trained with the tools, methods, and frameworks that will empower such collaborations. These are the folks that will drive this future thinking by bringing together the disciplines gathered in this room and beyond. Congratulations to all the graduates, their parents, partners, and friends who supported them on their journey. Go out and be our agents of change as we build the future. Thank you. We will now proceed with the presentations of the master's degree in the Institute of Design. To present the graduates, I call upon Associate Professor of Behavioral Design, Ruth Schmidt, and Associate Professor of User Research and Service Design, Mark Jones, to the stage.
So as soon as Ruth reads her name, you're gonna read yours. Make it go fast, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all right.
What do you mean?
Thank you, Dean Matthew. We now present the graduates receiving the Master of Design degree. Please hold your applause until the graduates have been recognized. Will the graduates receiving the Master of Design degree please join us on stage to be recognized?
Abigail Auarter.
Aman Bardwaj.
Yep, read it.
Urvi Vidasaria.
Sichi Chai.
Mayuki Chacham.
Sichi Sophie Chen.
Oluwatosin Kayode.
Allison Chu.
Jiwen Chen.
Meghna Prakash.
Samira Kohani.
Menche Dong.
Simone Fogg.
Palak Shah.
Xuan Wei Gao.
Chiwon Teng.
Roxanne Hoffman.
Rhythm Gada.
Ankita Kamble.
Luce James.
Sunena Kuhn.
Pragna Kura.
Priyanka Larwani.
Rosanna Lederhausen.
Latrina Lee.
Sean Lee.
Brian Pabon.
Zhengsheng Pan.
Youngsun Park.
Xinshan Xu.
Disha Rathore.
Sahib Thukral.
Carolina Silva Carmona.
Young-hee Yu, a Master of Design, also receiving Master of Business Administration.
Nishan Srikant. Masaya Tezuka. Omkar Todkar. Yuki Wang.
Congratulations to our Masters of Design degree graduates, our Masters of Design and Business Administration, and Masters of Design Methods graduates. That concludes our...
Provost Christensen, that concludes our the ceremony of the Institute of Design. Thank you.
Thank you, Anijo, and congratulations to each of you for your achievements. I now call upon Acting Dean of Armour College of Engineering, Kevin Castle.
Thank you, Ken. A moment ago, Dean Matthew referenced the birth of the internet in the 1990s. I would like to take you back one more decade to the 1980s when I finished my undergraduate engineering degree. At that time, we pursued engineering because we wanted to be engineers, to work with other engineers on engineering. Our careers progressed, and as they did so, some of us branched out into other endeavors that used our critical thinking skills that we learned as engineers to pursue management, entrepreneurial startups, legal careers, and other endeavors. Many of you, on the other hand, have pursued an engineering or indeed architecture and design degree for reasons that go well beyond traditional careers. You see it as an opportunity to change the world for the better, to tackle the grandest challenges that our world and society face, to introduce technologies that will transform our lives and work. You are altruistic, you're mission-driven, you're indeed inspiring. Oh, and you fully understand that in order to achieve your goals and objectives, you will need to collaborate closely with our architect, design, business, and computing colleagues, as Dean Matthew implored you. Your Illinois Tech education has intentionally and effectively prepared you for this new, exciting, and challenging world. I invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn. So in a number of years from now, when I retire, I can sit on my rocking chair and see what rewarding and transformational work you're engaged in, and see what jobs you undertake that do not even exist today. Not only are the disciplines of engineering, architecture, and design changing, your roles are changing as well. Don't resist this change or avoid it. Embrace it, and in fact, drive it. When I look behind me at my colleagues, I see a group of individuals that have collectively prepared you to redefine your disciplines and bring design principles to an ever-broadening landscape of challenges. When I look in front of me, I see you. I see the future of our beloved professions. Steward them well. Make us proud, and yes, change the world for the better. I'd like to add my heartfelt congratulations to all of the graduates here today and honor those that have helped support and encourage you to achieve this milestone. I echo Dean Matthews' admonition: go out and be our agents of change as we build the future together. Thank you. We will now proceed with the presentation of the master's and bachelor's degrees in the Armour College of Engineering. To present the graduates receiving degrees from the Department of Biomedical Engineering, I call upon Professor Marcella Meshik and Professor Kigo Kawaji, Professor Robert A. Pritzker Endowed Chair in Engineering and Department Chair John Georgiadis to join me in congratulating the graduates.
Thank you. Please hold your applause until all the graduates have been recognized so that each graduate's name can be clearly heard by their family and friends, both in attendance and on our live stream. Will the graduates receiving master's degrees from the Department of Biomedical Engineering please rise and join us on stage to be recognized?
Evan Balazado, Master of Science, Biomedical Data Science and Modeling, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering.
Juvira Fatima, Master of Engineering, Biomedical Engineering.
Emuline Fratacci, Master of Science, Biomedical Data Science and Modeling.
Rafael Garcia Escobeda, Master of Science, Biomedical Data Science and Modeling, also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, summa cum laude.
James Ha, Master of Science, Biomedical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, cum laude.
Sanzida Huck, Master of Engineering, Biomedical Engineering.
Samantha Harkness, Master Technological Entrepreneurship, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Colin Harris, Master of Science, Biomedical Data Science and Modeling, also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering.
Julia Ivanev, Master of Science, Biomedical Data Science and Modeling, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering.
Anas Huthala, Master of Science, Biomedical Data Science and Modeling, also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering, cum laude.
Lee Nguyen, Master of Science, Medical Devices and Biomaterials, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Giovanni Soto Cabello, Master of Science, Medical Devices and Biomaterials, also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Remy Simenio, Master of Science, Biomedical Data Science and Modeling.
Yuhan Julie Sai, Master of Engineering, Biomedical Engineering.
Lucas Stortz, Master of Science, Medical Devices and Biomaterials.
Ulwa Bugla Kula Bamadil, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering.
Kaiwen Yuan, Master of Engineering, Biomedical Engineering.
Congratulations to our master's degrees recipients. Will the graduates receiving bachelor's degrees from the Department of Biomedical Engineering please join us on stage to be recognized? Aisha Deeb, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, magna cum laude. Abigail Kurian, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, cum laude. Congratulations to our bachelor's degree recipients. To present the graduate degrees from the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering, I call upon Professor Fouad Taimur and Professor Javad Abbasian. Also, Department Chair Sohail Murad will join Acting Dean Castle in congratulating graduates.
I apologize, we have 5 more names. Al-Ryan Abdelrahim, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering. Yasmin Ashkar, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, cum laude. Alexander Dom, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering. Caleb Erickson, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering. Han Yuan, Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Now I'll invite the chemical engineering faculty up.
Thank you, Professor Vasek, Professor Kawaji. Chemies, make some noise. Is that all? Wonderful. Now, please hold your applause until all graduates have been recognized so that each graduate's name can be heard clearly. Will the graduates receiving master's degrees from the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering please rise and join us to be recognized? You start.
Okay. You want us to go?
Paula Dieguez Gomez, Master of Chemical Engineering.
Matthew Boucher, Master of Pharmaceutical Engineering.
Hu Yi Hu, Master of Pharmaceutical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Sonia Harrell, Master of Biological Engineering, and also receiving Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Miriam Labidi, Master of Pharmaceutical Engineering.
Lorraine Guaola, Master of Biological Engineering.
Anisha Manivanan, Master of Chemical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Mitchell Lucky, Master of Chemical Engineering, also receiving Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Karolina Novovelska, Master of Pharmaceutical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering.
Andres Martinez, Master of Chemical Engineering, also receiving Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, summa cum laude.
Akanksha Prasad, Master of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Ore Ulua Obuniake, Master of Chemical Engineering, also receiving Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, cum laude.
Aiden Schweig, Master of Chemical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, cum laude.
Apurva Pawar, Master of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Kevin Vo, Master of Chemical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering, cum laude.
Yan Kun Chi, Master of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Alexandra Yusin, Master of Biological Engineering.
Chloe Vidler, Master of Biological Engineering.
Congratulations to our master's degree recipients.
One more. Malik Yassin, Master of Pharmaceutical Engineering, also receiving Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, cum laude. He jumped in.
Now, congratulations to our master's students. Will the graduates receiving bachelor's degrees from the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering please join us on stage to be recognized? Eric Adam, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Can't see it. Aisha Akram, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Ramses Banda Romero, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Hans Chong, Bachelor of Chemical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Vivian de la Cruz, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Thomas Doyle, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Brad Foster, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Over there. Ali Hassani, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Dachol Jones, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Bilal Coker, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Danielle Kitaka, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Stephen Levy, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering, cum laude.
Jacob Lockhart, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Spencer Meese, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Ian Morales, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Carolina Navarro, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Morgan Tukes, Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering.
Joshua Young, Bachelor of Science, Chemical Engineering.
Congratulations to our bachelor degree recipients. To present the graduates receiving degrees from the Department of Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering, I call upon Professor Deborah Stemmel-Claire and Professor Mohammed Mir Ali Anqai, Professor and Department Chair, and Arthur W. Hill Endowed Chair in Sustainability Brent Stevens will join Acting Dean Cassell in congratulating the graduates.
Thank you. Please, once again, hold your applause until all graduates have been recognized so that each graduate's name can be clearly heard. Will the graduates receiving master's degrees from the Department of Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering please rise and join us on stage to be recognized? Carlos Romero de Balanzo, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Adil Ahmed, Master Engineering Management.
Adrian Rivera Ruiz, Master of Public Works, Public Works.
Ezil Alava, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Christopher Riley, Master of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Gina Baldeya, Master of Engineering, Architectural Engineering.
Jolie Pierner, Master of Engineering, Architectural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering, cum laude.
Lakshmi Satya Bhavya Polisetia.
Yash Patel, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Thomas Chezopka, Master of Engineering, Transportation Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Tomoaki Nakayama, Master of Engineering, Structural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Anna Del Seiti, Bachelor of Science in Architecture, and Masters in Construction Engineering and Management, cum laude.
Rajat Moore, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Pedro Dulanto Gutierrez, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Yi Te Mong, Bachelor of Science in Architectural Engineering and Masters of Engineering in Architectural Engineering.
Ashley Eng, Master Engineering Management.
Nima Mohiuddin, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor Architecture, cum laude.
Alexander Espitia, Master Engineering Management and also receiving a Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Isma Meraj, Master of Science in Civil Engineering.
Travis Green, Master Engineering Management.
Rishi Shah, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor's Architecture.
Chance Guillermo, Master of Engineering, Structural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering, summa cum laude.
Venkatesh Udaya, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Shandon Jude Herb, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Yonita Verma, Master of Engineering, Environmental Engineering.
Suhruda Chaudhry Kakani, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Allison Wilkins, Master of Engineering, Architectural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Severin Kravchuk, Master of Engineering, Architectural Engineering.
Gerardo Mora, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Architecture, cum laude.
Jackson Lab, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Ye Yint Nyang, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Maria Fernanda Luna Villanueva, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering, cum laude.
Lawrence Alaure, Master of Engineering, Environmental Engineering.
Brian McDonald, Master of Engineering, Transportation Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, cum laude.
Shyam Patel, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Alanu Tarfan Alanazi, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Nidhi Pawar, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Namaf Al-Mufra, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Jose Pratt, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Hema Swati Balakrishnan, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Esteban Rivera, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Valerie Laporte Forer, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management.
Christopher Roan, Master of Engineering, Transportation Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, cum laude.
Luisa Martinez, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, cum laude.
Prabin Kafli, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, cum laude.
Tiffany Chang, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Professional Bachelor Architecture, magna cum laude.
Jack Kleinkopf, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor Architecture, summa cum laude.
Laura Berkeley, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Architecture and Engineering, summa cum laude.
Mian Ali Uzair, Master of Science, Civil Engineering.
David Delolmo Kobus, Master of Engineering and Structural Engineering.
Haonan Zheng, Master of Science in Civil Engineering.
Arshia Dizna, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor's Architecture, magna cum laude.
Victoria Vladimirova, Master of Engineering, Structural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Minika F. Young, Master of Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor's Architecture. Lucia Espinel Roy, Master of Engineering, Architectural Engineering. Alexander Filipek, Master of Engineering, Structural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, summa cum laude. Jamie Griggs, Master of Engineering, Structural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, summa cum laude. Olivia Hansen, Master of Engineering, Structural Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, summa cum laude. Siwei Liang, Master of Engineering, Transportation Engineering. Demilson Suadra Aladana, Bachelor of Science, Master of Engineering, Structural Engineering. Emily Sainz, Master of Engineering Management. Brandon Seaton, Master of Engineering Management. Sydney Silver, Master of Engineering, Transportation Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering. Alicia Thompson, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering, Master of Engineering, Architectural Engineering, summa cum laude. Corey McNamara, Master of Engineering Management.
Congratulations to our master's degree recipients. Will the graduates receiving bachelor's degrees from the Department of Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering please join us on stage to be recognized? Jordan Alfred, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Thomas Zagel, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Hamida Amiri, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Daniel Webster, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Giovanni Archudia, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Mayara Lasky, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Farah Azuzi, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Kamil Radeki, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Edgar Brizano, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, magna cum laude.
Ang Mon, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering, magna cum laude.
Leah Dela Cruz, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Jennifer Garcia, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Anne Maria Eguabor, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Ramisha Hogg, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Edwin Fingerly, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, summa cum laude.
Cornelio Estrella, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Zling Han, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering, cum laude.
Karanjip Dugal, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Marshall Hong, Bachelor of Science, Engineering Management.
John Coyle, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, cum laude.
Grace Losele Zuomi, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Jeffrey Belshi, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
James Pullen, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, cum laude.
Nora Awad, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, summa cum laude.
Clisman Ramos, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, magna cum laude.
Ryan Arbor, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Daleen Saya Saba, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Christian Alvarez, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Mudabir Siddiqui, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Greta Vasilovskaita, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, magna cum laude.
Hibatullah Tahir, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Ural, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Ricardo Valtiero Prado, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Charles Svetska, Bachelor of Science, Engineering Management.
Carlos Vidayare, Bachelor of Science, Engineering Management.
Nathan Scott, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Jacob Westerhoff, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Tyler Rodriguez, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Tyler Wilson, Bachelor of Science, Architectural Engineering.
Andres Reina, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Congratulations to our bachelor's degree recipients. To present graduates receiving degrees from the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, I call upon Professor, Duchossois Leadership Professor, and Associate Dean Jeff Williamson, and Professor Lynn Kai. Professor Walter and Harriet Filmer Endowed Chair in Electrical and Computer Engineering, and Department Chair Jafar Sainji will join Acting Dean Castle in congratulating the graduates.
Thank you. Please hold your applause until all graduates have been recognized so that each graduate's name can be clearly heard. Will the amazing graduates receiving master's degrees from the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering please rise and join us on stage to be recognized? Herman Alvarez Marino, Master of Engineering, Engineering Systems.
Shubham Hawada Prajapa.
Alvaro Aparicio Serna, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control.
Mingyu Wang, Master of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Maria Barocci, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control.
Maureen Rocoton Dribi.
Inigo Galistegi Escalante, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control.
Sushimita from Mashisha, Master of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Chloe Chanu, Master of Cybersecurity Engineering.
Kaya Wason, Master of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Joan Colomar Mari, Master of Engineering, Energy Systems.
Anuga Aluwai, Master of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Pablo Diego Maristani, Master of Electricity Markets.
Jahangir Ali, Master of Engineering, Wireless Communication and Computer Networks.
John Bernat, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Chen Long Yo, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision and Control.
Min Yao Fan, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision and Control.
Oyenkasuku Izagabai, Master of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Rafiq Mohammed Khan, Master of Engineering, Advanced Manufacturing.
Dominic Karaka, Master of Science, Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Samuel Kalinowski, Master of Science, Computer Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering.
Odilio Roma, Master of Science, Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Simrat Kaur, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control.
John Ford, Bachelor of Science in Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering, Master of Science in Computer Engineering.
Ishmael Moral Diaz, Master of Electricity Markets.
Alan Biju, Halaya, graduating with Masters of Science in Cybersecurity Engineering and also receiving Bachelor in Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering.
Hideki Nakasone, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, cum laude.
Diego Rodriguez Garcia, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Computer Vision and Control.
Chibuzo Nwadiki, Master of Engineering and Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision and Control.
Ignacio de Comingers, Gura, Master Electrical Markets.
Maria de las Mercedes Olizaran Salvadores, Master of Engineering and Energy Systems.
Juan Diaz de Rabago Areza, Master of Science Electrical Engineering.
Henry Patino, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, cum laude.
Pablo Reis, Master of Computer Engineering, Internet of Things.
Colin Prochnow, Master of Science, Computer Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Computer and Bachelor of Science in Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering, magna cum laude.
Danny Fang, Master of Science, Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Susana Rodriguez Fuerte, Master of Computer Engineering and the Internet of Things.
David Sancho Crespo, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control.
Alejandro Romaguera Asensio, Master of Engineering in Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control.
Gabriel Gutierrez, Master of Science, Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Chloe Rabinowitz, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, cum laude.
Summer Black, Master Cybersecurity Engineering.
Saurabh Saluja, Master of Science in Computer Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, cum laude.
Isaac Wanfit, Master Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Michael Keller, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Wenyuan Wang, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control.
Neil Dote, Master of Artificial Intelligence, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering and a Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, summa cum laude.
Christopher Zeleny Beza, Master Power Engineering.
Brandon Bennett, Bachelor of Science in Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering and a Master of Artificial Intelligence, summa cum laude.
Arvind Rama Nasan, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and
Zarish
Control.
Hafiz, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Nam Yi Vishnu Radish Paresh Nam, Master of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Raquel Tercios, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Ram Mohan Pandian, Master of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Dane Yamashiro, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Jonathan Hafero, Master Electrical and Computer Engineering. Yuvan Amosoga, Master of Science Electrical Engineering. Samir Mohammed Adi, Master of Science Electrical Engineering. Santiago Mus Chapuli, Master Computer Engineering, Internet of Things. Mario Antonio Nagimasol Carvalho, Master Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Computer Vision, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering. Maria de Mar Obando Gallardo, Master of Engineering, Energy Systems.
Congratulations to our amazing master's degree recipients. Will the graduates receiving bachelor's degrees from the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, all you fantastic degree recipients, please join us on stage to be recognized. Danielle Archiga, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering, cum laude.
Shayan Ahmed, Bachelor of Science, Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering.
Kapras Belapichavicius, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Lydia Balia, Bachelor of Science, Computer Cybersecurity Engineering.
Jake Black, Bachelor of Science in Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering.
Juan Miguel Bonner, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Daniel De Jesus, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering.
Zapei Chen, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Camden Epstein, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Dovdas Jomstar, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Ralph Estefan, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering.
Bradley Estacu, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Fabian Garcia, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering.
Devi Fedorovicius, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Omar Hakawati, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Matthew Gomba, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Rolando Hidiat, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Devi Hernandez, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Christian Leva, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Divyasu Difahi Kaloa, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Nicholas Ribka, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Brenna Perez, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Navya Sheff, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Mitchell Trailer, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Nathan Valdez, Bachelor of Science, Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering.
Kalina Vela, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Elliot Wilming, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Peter Xiong, Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering.
Wenhao Yu, Bachelor of Science in Computer and Cybersecurity Engineering. Good. Congratulations to our fantastic bachelor's degree recipients. To present the graduates receiving degrees from the Department of Industrial Technology and Management, I call upon Professor Philip Lewis and Professor James Coates. Pamela Hauser, Interim Director, will join Acting Dean Castle in congratulating the graduates.
So thank you very much, Associate Dean Williamson. It's my great pleasure and honor to be here to represent the Department of Industrial Technology and Management of the College of the Armour Engineering. I'd invite the graduates of the College of Industrial Technology and Management to please come forward. Xavier Alegre Alcina, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Indigo Achel Orbe Banyan, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Asiar Baron, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Bernardo Carvalho, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Bianca Casquiero, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Alberto Del Sal Garcia, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Matthew Eng, Master Industrial Technology and Operations, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor Industrial Technology and Management.
Guillermo Garcia, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Maurice Gilmore, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Elias Gonzalez Gomez, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Jorge Gonzalez Tejido, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Paul Julo, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Anitara Gupta, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Yuvara Kadaj, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Gonzalo Justi, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Jamie King, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations, also receiving a Professional Bachelor of Industrial Technology and Management, cum laude.
Sakandar Kahan, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Bowden Liu, Industrial Technology and Operations, also receiving a Professional Bachelor Industrial Technology and Management.
Maria Lopez Gonzalez, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Raquel Moe Martin Caro, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Edward March Vidal, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Edwira Palacio, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Jose Manuel Malia, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Trevor Poinsett, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations, also receiving a Professional Bachelor Industrial Technology and Management.
Beatrice Peral Ferrer, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Leo Denny Padhusri, Master of Industrial Technology and Management. Operations, sorry.
Pradamesh Pakar Karka, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Carlos Rincon, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Alberto Reina Alonso, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Alina Salvador, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Maria Victoria Ross, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Arnaud Sierra Segas, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Gabriel Santiago, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Juan Zerenke Murillo, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Thomas Smith, Master Industrial Technology and Operations, and also receiving a Professional Bachelor Industrial Technology and Operations Management.
Antonio Veo, Master of Industrial Technology and Operations.
Charles Thompson, Master Industrial Technology and Operations.
Bachelor's.
Step over here and introduce yourself.
Javier Valdés.
Master Industrial Technology and Operations. Ronnie Ward, Master Industrial Technology and Operations. Will the graduates receiving bachelor degrees from the Department of Industrial Technology and Management please join us on stage? Thank you. And congratulations to those master's students. Congratulations. Joseph Eagleston, Professional Bachelor Industrial Technology and Management.
Peter Mayarda, Professional Bachelor's in Industrial Technology and Management, magna cum laude.
Mitchell Miller, Professional Bachelor, Industrial Technology and Management, summa cum laude.
Michael Rodriguez, Professional Bachelor's of Industrial Technology and Management.
Ola Shibomi Ola Iwola, Professional Bachelor, Industrial Technology and Management.
Vasil Vinishuk, Professional Bachelor's of Industrial Technology and Management.
Congratulations to the Industrial Technology and Management Bachelor degree candidates.
Masters.
To present the graduates receiving degrees from the Department of Mechanical, Materials, and Aerospace Engineering, I call upon Professor Sibani Detta Baru and Professor Basrava Hamshadrur, Professor and John G. and Jane E. Olin Endowed Department Chair of Mechanical, Materials, and Aerospace Engineering. Lou Catafesta will join Acting Dean Castle in congratulating the graduates. Thank you.
Oh, again. Yeah.
Thank you. Please hold your applause until all graduates have been recognized so that each graduate's name can be clearly heard. Will the graduates receiving master's degrees from the Department of Mechanical, Materials, and Aerospace Engineering please rise and join us on stage to be recognized?
Christian Allen, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Mohammed Kashif Anwar, Master
Blanca
of Engineering
Aksa,
and
Master of
Manufacturing
Science, Autonomous
Engineering.
Systems and Robotics.
Javier Aroca Serrano, Master of Engineering,
Kyle
Mechanical
Christensen,
and
Master of
Aerospace
Engineering
Engineering.
in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science in Aerospace Engineering, summa cum laude.
Simrana Azam, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. Congratulations.
Sai Samrit Balki, Master of Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering.
Arto Bavarel, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Miloš Dugalic, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Miguel Bermejo Lara, Master of Engineering, Energy Systems.
Victor Baxter, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Marvin Kahlo, Master of Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Trevion Brawley, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Robin Choi, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Rodrigo Casado, Master of Engineering, Energy Systems.
Raymond Connors, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Alex English, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Riley Ellis, Master of Science, Autonomous Systems and Robotics, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Daniel Evans, Master of Science, Material Science and Engineering.
Ariba Esani, Master of Engineering, Material Science and Engineering.
Creighton Gaff, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Kai Fredericks, Master of Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Eob Gebriasus, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Arturo Galofrey, Master of Engineering, Energy Systems.
Ignacio Iranzo Juan, Master of Science, Autonomous Systems and Robotics.
Lola Giraldez, Master of Engineering, Energy Systems.
Betson Jacob, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Adam Hick, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Catherine Klemp, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Matthew Jackson, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Timothy Larkin, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Rosemary Johnson, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, cum laude.
Alvaro Lopez Ruano, Master Computational Engineering.
Parankush Kol, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Roberto Matthew Montade, Master of Science, Autonomous Systems and Robotics.
Mark Latocha, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Dakota Mazal, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Full name? Yeah. Maddie Masood, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Saman Nasir, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Stephen Matuzak, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Hui No, Master of Science, Autonomous Systems and Robotics, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, magna cum laude.
Oliver Mulvaney, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Amir Patel, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Bradley Nathan, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Patrick Podraza, Master of Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Hook Nguyen, Master of Science, Autonomous Systems and Robotics, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Kyle Russellis, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Liam Colmatier, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, magna cum laude.
Otis Riali, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Sarthak Patel, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
William Romero Gonzalez, Master of Engineering, Energy Systems.
Jaime Prado Zayas, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Andrew Racuzo, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, summa cum laude.
Shiva Vishva Radhakrishnan, Master of Science, Material Science and Engineering.
Mohammad Saad, Master of Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering.
Sergio Riwete Barea, Master of Engineering Management.
Madhavan Ramadurai, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Jorge Ruiz Garcia, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Jose Maria Serral Hernandez, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Basil Salaman, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Dominic Susan, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Cale Seaver, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, summa cum laude.
Kirti Kumar Srinivas, Master of Science, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Yashwant Siraramu, Master of Science, Manufacturing Engineering.
Paulina Stachel, Master of Engineering, Material Science and Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Engineering.
Arshnur Shran, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Arindam Talukdar, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Katazina Sterin, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Alexander Woody, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Benjamin Svedberg, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
Kiana Yamamoto, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, summa cum laude.
David Wardine, Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude. Shuzhou Shu, Master of Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering. Junzhao Zhang, Master of Engineering, Materials Science and Engineering, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering. Congratulations to our master's degree recipients. Will the graduates receiving bachelor's degrees from the Department of Mechanical Materials and Aerospace Engineering please join us on stage to be recognized? Please hold your applause. This is the last, but definitely not least. Shahzad Ahmed, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Miracle Achibe, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Amar Amin, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Jose Amiskua, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Isabella Bobadilla, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Gustavo Aruo Nolasco, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Emily Castella, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Shane Black, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
David De La Fuente, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, cum laude.
Omar Bosaid, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
James Featherstone, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Rafaela Mom Silvano, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Mitchell Fry, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, summa cum laude.
Mohammad Taha Navaid, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Michael Guadarrama, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Emily Magallanes, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Cassidy Henson, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Louis Ketchman, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, magna cum laude.
Zoe Krevitz, Bachelor of Science, Material Science and Engineering.
Neil John, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Connie McNulty, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Karina Gaisina, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Yen Kang, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Christopher Fokker, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Cassidy Moy, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Jeremy Cohen, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Gavin Owanda, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Anthony Dugan, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Oluwao Funmibi Oyedokun, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Ji-Sung Oh, Bachelor of Science, Material Science and Engineering.
Giovanni Payares, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Congratulations, I saw Boki. Kanishk Pal, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, summa cum laude.
Hashim Raza, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Carlos Reboledo, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Jonathan Salgado, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Levi Schweiger, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering, cum laude.
Jocelyn Serrano, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Nicholas Simon, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
James Shovchek, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Meghna Tamhane, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Rachel Naomi Chakra, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, summa cum laude.
Caleb Ibulher, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Salvador Urbina Gomez, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Christian Velos, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Damian Vega, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Marco Vega, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Patrick McInerney, Bachelor of Science, Engineering Management, and also receiving a Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, cum laude.
Luis Miguel Reinha Petrao da Gama Vieira, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Arturo Villegas Esquinca, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Trevor Whitlatch, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering.
Alejandro Zamora, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering. Mohammed Ali Zia, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering. Sun Fon Shi, Master of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Computer Vision, and Control. Congratulations to our bachelor's degree recipients, Acting Dean Castle. That concludes the presentation of degree recipients from the Department of Mechanical Materials and Aerospace Engineering.
Thank you, Sobhani and Baisravan. Interim Provost Christensen, that concludes the presentation of degree recipients from the Armour College of Engineering.
Thank you, Kevin, and congratulations to each of you for your achievements. Congratulations again to all of our graduates today. This wonderful celebration was possible due to the dedicated members of the Illinois Tech community. I'd like to take a moment to thank all of the staff and student volunteers, our honor marshals, and the rest behind the scenes for their hard work and commitment to ensure a special day for all of our graduates. I also want to thank our wonderful faculty, mentors, and guides who have taught, supported, and advised our students through the years. To our graduates, all the best on the exciting road ahead. Professor Joseph Orgel will instruct you on exiting procedures. Have a wonderful day and congratulations again.
Please remain seated for just a moment longer. Instructions for the faculty recessional have changed. All graduates and guests are invited to their respective college receptions at this time. Receptions are located in this building on level 2. the floor immediately below us. The specific room numbers for your college reception are listed in the program. Just wait one moment, please. The stage party will recess backstage. The left side here, the right side here, and stage crew will assist in that process. Congratulations again. Well done.